This is the Wahl Travel Shaver. It's very small, very compact, but also a very powerful travel shaver. It has a 2-year guarantee, and I'm sure that would be applicable from any merchant that you purchase from. So there's instructions in the side. This is what the box looks like. So let's unbox it. So as you can see, it has a metal case. It comes with a metal case. That's a little bag that you can keep your trimmer in. A little safety case for your trimmer. These are the instruction manuals. This is the warranty or guarantee manual, giving you a little bit more information on the travel shaver. This is another instruction booklet guiding you on how to use the machine, how to clean it. It's available in multiple languages. That's another instruction manual as well. Your do's and don'ts with your machine. So that's all the instruction manuals there. As I've said, this is a metal case. It's a very nice shiny container. This is the replacement foil that comes with the shaver. It's a single replacement foil because the travel shaver only uses a single filament foil. So these foils are very durable and they're very strong, by the way, and it would take you a long time before you had to actually replace your spare foil onto the travel shaver due to the good quality. This is the agitator that goes underneath the top clasp of the shaver. So even this very good quality, it would take you a while before you need to actually replace this. This is a spare one in case the one that comes with the machine gets damaged. To install this is very simple. You just remove the top clasp of the machine and it slots on. This is the charger that comes with the machine. This is a little brush for cleaning. As you can see, your charger is a simple 2-pin charger. It's a normal 2-head AC/DC adapter there. So this is the travel shaver. Very small, very compact. It has a good weight to it. It feels very comfortable to use. By just feeling it, you could feel that it's made with excellent quality. As you can hear, that's a very powerful machine. It's powered up a lot when you switch it on. So that's your single head travel shaver there. That's the filament foil I was telling you guys about. Always remember to clean your machine, guys. After every use, clean it to ensure nothing gets stuck inside the foil or the agitator. This would also give it extended use. To replace your foil is very simple. It has clips underneath the metal casing on the top. You just remove that clips like this. Just remove the top cover, and underneath there you can see your agitator, and underneath that top clasp is how you replace your foil as well. Very powerful machine, guys. You can hear by the sound of it, it is very powerful. It gives you a nice close shave, and it shaves very quick due to the high-powered device that it is. It only has a single speed, but that's good enough for shaving. So that's your travel shaver there. The charger, You just plug in your charger, you give it a good charge for 4 to 6 hours. Your light comes on there. It turns red when it's charging, and when it's finished charging, it turns green.